Jacob Static Works. So today, papakita lang namin tong Ford Everest wild track na ginagawa namin. So solid yung kulay. I understand na unique siya for wild tracks pati sa Ranger. So good story of the client, bago niya dalhin yung coach niya dito, wala pa yung coach niya, nag-explore na siya kung ano yung shop na gusto niyang puntahan. So ang dami niyang na-explore around the area. But he said that he wanted Ecstatic Works kasi nakita niya na kami raw yung pinaka-organized at pinaka-maayos na kausap. So ngayon, nandito na yung Ford Everest niya. So ano ba ginagawa natin sa Ford Everest niya? So right now, we're installing our top-of-the-line Steck Next Series tint. So ang pinili niya is dark shade on the side, tapos medium sa front. Yan yung pinaka-fast moving shades namin kasi may good balance ng driving comfort at night, tapos may privacy pa rin. Tapos sa moonroof niya, dahil mesh lang yung sa moonroof, yung cover ng moonroof niya dito, mesh lang, nagpalagay din siya ng clear bluish naman sa kanyang moonroof na tint. So lahat ng glass ng Everest niya naka Steck Next Series window tint. Tapos gusto niya maging all Steck. So ayun, kinakapos pa tayo, sobra excited tayo. Gusto niya mag all Steck, kaya magpapalagay din siya ng Steck final coat ceramic coating. So bukas release na natin to. I'm sure excited ang client natin. So isang ikot lang kasi ganda talaga ng kulay ng Ford Everest. Ganda oh. I-release na natin tong Ford Everest na to. Brand new. Actually, naka-plastic pa sa loob. So we did two things. Our Steck Final Coat Ceramic Coating and our top-of-the-line Steck Next Series Window Tint. Tingnan mo sandali oh, kung gaano aking tab. Grabe. But we'll show you results photos later. Pero more importantly, papakita natin yung best combination of tint na ginawa natin dito, which is dark all around VLT15 and medium on the windshield VLT35. Maya, pasok ka sa loob. Tingnan na, pakita natin. And then our clients also wants to enjoy their moonroof or sunroof. Kaya naglagay naman tayo ng clear bluish on the sunroof para may enjoy pa rin ng mga kids nila yung sunroof sa gabi. Alam mo, naka-plastic pa yan, bagong-bago. Solid na solid. Excited na kami i-release to sa client kasi yung client natin talagang tayo pinili after exploring a lot of shops within the area. So we're excited for you as well. Change the game, shield it up, lock it down. Best protection in the town. Ecstatic Works, make it clean. Step on ceramic, pristine. Level up, level up, level up. Never stop, fill the cup, ay. So again, for more information, pricing and location, alam nyo kung saan kayo pupunta, sa Facebook page lang. Bye!